Welcome children. Today you will learn interchange of the degrees of comparison. Adjectives and adverbs can have 3 degrees of comparison. They are positive, comparative and superlative. The positive degree is used to state something about the noun or pronoun. Example, this is a big ball. The comparative degree is used when two things or persons are compared. It is formed usually by adding er or more to the adjective or adverb and the conjunction than. Example, Anu is taller than Anjali. Another example, Peter is more hardworking than any other boy in the class. The superlative degree is used when more than two things or persons are compared. It is formed usually by adding est or most to the adjective or adverb. Example, Kalidasa is the greatest of Indian poets. Another one, Deepthi is the most beautiful girl in the class. It is possible to change the degree of comparison of an adjective or adverb in a sentence without changing the meaning of the sentence. When we transform a sentence from positive degree to comparative degree, as and so are left out. The adjective or adverb is put in comparative form and used with the conjunction than. If the sentence is affirmative in the positive degree, it will become negative in the comparative degree and vice versa. Example, he runs as fast as a deer. It is a positive degree sentence. We have to change into comparative. How will we write? He does not run faster than a deer. He does not run faster than a deer. Now, very few in the positive degree is replaced by most others in the comparative degree and vice versa. Very few in the positive degree is replaced by most others in the comparative degree. And most others in the comparative degree is replaced by very few in the positive degree. Example, you see, very few towns in India are so big as Mumbai. Mumbai is bigger than most other towns in India. Very few is replaced by most other. Very few towns in India are so big as Mumbai is replaced by or changed into Mumbai is bigger than most other towns in India. When transforming comparative degree to positive degree, the words no other can be used. When transforming comparative degree to positive degree, the word no other also can be used. Example, he is wiser than all other men. How can I change the sentence? No other man is as wise as he is. No other man is as wise as he is. To convert comparative degree to superlative degree, the word any other is left out and the adjective or adverb is put in the superlative degree. Once again I am telling, to convert comparative degree to superlative degree, any other is left out and the adjective or adverb is put in the superlative degree. Example, lead is heavier than any other metal. How can we change this sentence? Lead is the heaviest of all the metals. The heaviest. With the superlative degree, you will always use the heaviest. Lead is heavier than any other metal can be changed into lead is the heaviest of all metals. Now, to convert a positive degree having very few into superlative degree, the word one of the is used. To convert a positive degree having very few into superlative degree, words one of the is used. Example, very few towns in India are so big as Mumbai. Mumbai is one of the biggest towns in India. Mumbai is one of the biggest towns in India. The word most others in the comparative degree is replaced by one of the in the superlative degree. The word most others in the comparative degree is replaced by one of the in the superlative degree. Look at this example. Most other runners are not faster than Joy. Most other runners are not faster than Joy. Joy is one of the fastest runners. Joy is one of the fastest runners. Now you will see some more examples. No other democracy in the world is as large as India. As large as India. So it is a positive sentence. So we have to convert this sentence into comparative degree sentence and a superlative degree. India is larger than any other democracy in the world. Larger than any other democracy in the world will be the comparative form. Comparative degree and superlative degree. India is the largest democracy in the world. India is the largest democracy in the world. Next sentence. I have never seen such a beautiful picture as this. I have never seen such a beautiful picture as this. As this. So it is positive degree. We have to change into comparative degree. Let's see how can we change into comparative degree. This picture is more beautiful than any other picture that I have ever seen. This picture is more beautiful than any other picture that I have ever seen. Will be the comparative degree sentence. Now, superlative, how can we make it? This is the most beautiful picture that I have ever seen. Most beautiful picture that I have ever seen will be the superlative degree. Next sentence. Australia is the largest island in the world. Largest island. The largest island. So, superlative degree sentence is given. Now we can convert into positive degree and comparative degree. No other island in the world is so large as Australia. Will be the positive degree sentence. No other island in the world is so large as Australia. Now we have to make comparative degree. Australia is larger than any other island in the world. Australia is larger than any other island in the world. Next sentence. This horse is not as splendid as that. This horse is not as splendid as that. This is a positive degree sentence. But you see, here only two things are given. This horse and that horse. So we cannot change this sentence into superlative degree as only two things are there. So we will change the sentence into comparative degree. That horse is more splendid than this will be the answer. That horse is more splendid than this. Next. The rose is the most beautiful of flowers. Most beautiful of flowers. Surely it is a superlative degree sentence. No flower is as beautiful as the rose. So positive degree we will get like this. No flower is as beautiful as the rose. And now comparative. The rose is more beautiful than any other flower. More beautiful than any other flower will be the comparative degree. Now, one more sentence. Iron is more useful than any other metal. Iron is more useful than any other metal. More than. Comparative degree sentence is given. So, we can change it into positive as well as superlative because more than two things are there. No other metal is as useful as iron. No other metal is as useful as iron will be the positive degree. And iron is the most useful of all metals will be the superlative degree. The most useful of all metals. Iron is the most useful of all metals will be the superlative degree. Okay children, thank you.